Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fact Sentinel. In a groundbreaking move to overhaul the nation's criminal justice system, Union Home Minister Amit Shah announced on December 20, 2023, the introduction of 3 revolutionary bills in Lok Sabha. The proposed laws focus on delivering justice rather than mere punishment, marking a paradigm shift. Let's have a deeper look at the proposed change of Indian law. One of the most striking changes is the provision for the death penalty in cases of mob lynching. Shah emphasized the need to address this heinous crime and ensure severe consequences for those involved. But that's not all. Shah dropped another bombshell by declaring the abolition of the Sedition law, a relic from the British era used to suppress Indian freedom fighters. This move is a historic step towards a more progressive legal framework. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bill, set to replace the outdated Indian Penal Code, takes center stage in this legal revolution. Shah highlighted its emphasis on justice, heralding a new era in the Indian legal system. Key changes unveiled, strengthening accountability and redefining crimes. Shah revealed key changes aimed at bolstering police accountability. Details of arrested individuals must now be recorded at every police station, and a designated officer will be responsible for maintaining these records. The proposed laws also make trafficking laws gender-neutral, showcasing a commitment to equality. In a move to protect minors, Shah announced that the rape of a girl under 18 will automatically attract provisions equivalent to the Protection of Children from Sexual Offenses, POCSO, Act. Additionally, the proposed laws include a comprehensive definition of terrorism, a first for Indian legislation. Shah emphasized the importance of clarifying this term to prevent its misuse. Addressing hit-and-run cases, Shah outlined a nuanced approach. Accidental deaths and deaths due to negligence will be redefined, with lighter punishment for those who promptly seek medical assistance for victims. Conversely, hit-and-run cases will face harsher penalties. To expedite the legal process, the accused will now have 7 days to plead for acquittal, with a maximum trial period of 120 days. Plea bargaining has also been time-bound, ensuring a more efficient justice system. Shah concluded by emphasizing the timely registration of cases. Under the proposed laws, an FIR must be registered within 3 days, streamlining the process for swift justice. The Modi government's bold steps promise a legal landscape that prioritizes justice, accountability, and efficiency. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And before you go, make sure to show us some love by hitting that like button, sharing this video with your friends and family, and subscribe.